The Starz series Outlander made its New York Comic-Con debut on Saturday and it did not disappoint. Author of the Outlander books Diana Gabaldon made an appearance to introduce a surprise screening of the Season 4 premiere episode ahead of its November 4 debut. Gabaldon's panel attendance was not previously announced, which proved to be another surprise to the die-hard fans of the series. She joined panelists that included Ronald D.
Moore, executive producer, Meryl Davis, executive producer, Katrina Balfe, Claire Randall Fraser, Sam Heughan, Jamie Fraser, Sophie Skelton, Brianna Randall, and Richard Rankin, Roger Wakefield. The panel was moderated by Lola Ogunnaike, host of Entertainment Weekly The Show and People Now. For Outlander fans who weren't at Nick to watch the debut episode of Season 4, you will just have to wait until November 4 when it airs. If you are suffering from a case of FOMO as a result of this, Starz was kind enough to release a sneak peek of the new opening title credits, for which is different from seasons past. It includes an updated rendition of the familiar theme song and new footage from the forthcoming season, which is set in colonial America. Watch video of the opening credits below.
What do you think about it? Share your opinion in the comments below the video. And also subscribe to the channel not to miss new, interesting videos.